There we go. Darth Vader. Darth Vader.
All right, I'm selling one of my positions. It's over with.
I wonder how much we'll retrace of this. That AMD move is fucking crazy, bro.
Yeah, no, that was ridiculous. I swear I was going to get in.
So I do like a little scan on my phone, just like when I wake up, and I see like the quick little charts on Thinkorswim, and I'm like kind of like I can see what's pushing up or whatever, and I'm like, oh, like I see AMD, and I'm like, oh, okay, and I click it, and I literally go, what the fuck? Like out loud, I'm like, what the fuck? 100 and dude, this thing it's insane. It went up 56 points, 34% on a mega cap, basically.
Yeah.
That's a shit I need to have happen to UNH or Apple or something like that. That's crazy, bro. This chart's insane.
I know.
It's probably a really easy. I feel like it's just going to be a sell the news type thing. I'm not obviously going to touch this thing, but those premiums are going to be so inflated too just from that move. Nuts. Crazy move. All right. Good morning. How we doing? Good morning, people. Okay, Brian. Good morning. Monday, no news. My light is charging, so it's kind of dark for me. I apologize. When it is done charging, I will grab it. Victor, Fit, what's good? Good morning.
Top of the top.
Top of the top. Monday, no news.
No news Mondays.
Chilling hard.
A prop firm's favorite holiday.
I know, right? Wow. Okay. Can Apple hit all-time highs today? That'd be cool. Mark, good morning. Charles, good morning. We'll retrace a good amount of this move.
Let's fucking go. I'm up 40% on my TTD calls.
Wow, nice. Awesome. Let's go. Good shit. Apple, does Apple want to make the break to all-time highs? Here's Friday high here. So this morning, what we're looking at, good morning, guys. Good morning. Not a lot to work with all-time highs. I got Friday high level here. Something I'm going to keep an eye on because obviously we kind of just gapped overnight. Just these trading all-time highs, this continues to be tricky and tough. So
tricky.
We are breaking down. There goes Friday high here, but I wonder if we come into VWAP and then bounce and reclaim it. We'll see. I'm going to be patient. I'm going to wait at least 20 minutes. I just don't got anything I want to work with right here. Monday morning, no news. And yeah, we are on the fresh account. I posted over the weekend. Friday, I went on tilt. And that was it for the live account. I have like $600 left in it, but I have 2 micros. So I can't really do anything. So it's kind of a ticking time bomb. Is what it is. Being transparent with you guys. It sucks, but now I kind of feel better. So I'm like, good, fuck that thing. I want a fresh account, fresh start. So fresh account, fresh start, focused on process, back to my daily loss of $1,000, feeling a little bit more comfortable with that. And what else was I going to say? Oh, I'm requesting 2 payouts from Lucid today. Or I guess 1 it's going to be for $6,000. So that'll be cool. Got some money coming in there. So it's not like a wash.
Nice.
But yeah, I got to figure out the route with this top one. I'll probably just kind of build it back up. Maybe eventually go back to live. I don't know. I'm just going to fucking trade, dude. Like, I'm just like, try to trade process focused. We've been focused a little bit more on some of these swings and stuff, but like day trading wise, obviously, still trying to do the damn thing. But yeah, it's kind of just what I got today. But yeah, focus wise, like I said, I'm focused on this prior day high. Obviously, we're losing it right now, but it's 5 minutes into the open on the Monday. I don't really want to do anything with this. Just wait and see what happens. I would maybe like to look at YM or RTY. We'll see. But I'm just going to chill. So we'll kind of just hang out for a bit, guys, and chill and see what happens. But that's all I got. Maybe my light will finally charge. I won't like look like Darth Vader, as Lawrence said.
Is
He got on this morning. He goes, Darth Vader.
that you?
Is that you? That's me. Damn, this fucking coffee's hot today.
Okay. Well, I can't buy gold puts.
Why not?
I don't know. Robinhood won't let me.
Good. Wait.
There is nothing to wait for. Now that I'm looking at it, there's nothing to wait for here.
You can go all for it. Stay with the trend. Yep. That's what I said, Luke. But Lawrence is a grown man and can make his own decisions.
You guys suck. I'm doing what I need to do.
You can do whatever you want, man. I'm just giving you non-financial homie to homie advice. Nice little reclaim here, PDH.
Matter of fact, I'm going to save my money because I know what I know what my next swing is going to be.
Okay. Okay, you do that. So I am focused on this hourly structure as well a little bit. Basically around, we do have like a little range. If you want to look at it like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Something like down here. Where let me zoom out a little bit. Basically from here, right? Something like this. This overshot. But if you were to draw essentially this, right? Range. So I'm wondering if you come back in this range. That's kind of like the focus prior day high right here. So whenever I have a level and I'm focused on it, that's what I'm trying to see. I'm like, how are we treating that level? And is this going to be, you know, the reference point going forward for us to kind of spring back up, or are we going to come back into the range? So that's kind of my big focus today, is we'll see what happens there. So that's why I said I'm focused on that. That's what I got. And that's why we're getting that reaction here at prior day high. Did we see AMD? Yeah, we talked about that a little bit. Dude, shit's fucking crazy. I was telling Lawrence, I was like looking through, and I literally said I was classic morning, doing my morning business, scrolling, going, and I literally went, what the fuck? Craziest gap up ever, man.
I know, right? So
I tried to
like
time the
$40?
bottom on, I tried to time the bottom on AMD like months and months and months ago when it hadn't bottomed yet. It was getting pretty close, and I lost I think I lost like $6,000 trying to bottom it, like time the bottom. And I was like, fuck. And now, of course, shoulda, coulda, woulda.
Bro, that shit is up $55.
Insane. 33%.
Yeah, 33% is actually insane.
Actually insane. Let's go, How. You're up 90% on your shares. Fuck yeah, it's crazy. Awesome. Great buy, bro. Great buy. It's awesome.
I was actually losing faith in AMD for a while.
I know, I was too. But that's how they get you, right? It's always these companies that we know. All these deals that open AI. I know anything AI. AI is so fucking hot right now, dude. It's crazy. Anything AI. I need Apple to do some AI shit, bro.
How are they still valued the way they're valued? I'm just curious.
Apple?
Yeah, they're not that innovative. We talking about that.
I know. I know.
What are they doing? A nonprofit, right? Exactly.
Nonprofit, yeah.
Pretty much.
Exactly.
Like Rolex.
Like what?
Rolex. Rolex is a nonprofit.
Is it technically?
Yeah. Rolex is a nonprofit organization. Yeah.
This is a good reject here, dude. I feel like you could short this. Your stop here. Right down into the 2-minute VWAP.
Yeah, iPhones and App Store fees equals cash machine. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
That's very true. The network effect. The network effect. People aren't going to leave iPhones. They're not going to leave them.
Yeah, dude. No way. I would never.
I'm not going to get a Droid.
But yeah, I'm not going to get a Droid, bro. The people that are like, Androids are superior. I'm like, dude, you're just, something's wrong with you.
I mean, on paper they are.
Yeah, I know, probably, but But the cool kids don't have Androids. Cool kids got iPhones.
Yeah.
This gonna reclaim here. It'll be the reclaim long. Prior day high.
Possibly was that like a little sweep?
Yeah, it kind of looks nice. Not too bad here. Not too bad. I just want to wait a little bit longer, though. It's Monday morning. Even though it seems decent. It seems like a decent little setup here. Let's wait. Let's chill. Let's chill and wait.
Nobody super successful in life has an Android. That is a fact.
It's pretty fast.
Bro, I have not seen a single person like on interviews in real life that is like super successful and has an Android. That is a fact.
Yeah.
It immediately ruins my day seeing a green text, bro. I won't text back. What do you,
bro?
I'm not going to text you back, bro.
Bro,
Like,
one of my buddies.
I know.
One of my buddies lives in. I think I told you about it. My homie Mike lives in Korea. He's like just randomly moved there because he had this Korean girlfriend and like started studying the language. And he moved to Korea for like 2 years.
Mhm.
And he's in our group text, but now he's in fucking Korea, so his like service shit is different. And so it's green, and we're like, bro, we're kicking you out the group text. We're like, we don't. Well, I don't.
Yeah,
we
you
don't
just
like
messed up the whole vibe.
I'm like, you fucked up the group text. Can't do it.
Yeah, yeah.
Can't do it. Cannot do it. So,
You think Tesla getting into what is this? Evotel?
is that like is it like an electric
I don't know
hotel?
what it is.
That's what it
Yeah,
sounds
right.
like.
That's what I was
Electric
about to
hotel.
say. Yeah.
Something
I
like
wouldn't
that.
want to be in. Would I want to be? Wait, what's the difference between an electric hotel and a hotel?
I don't know. It's like a motor park EV hotel. I don't know. Good question. Good fucking question, dude. Let's see. Decent little rejection here. Being patient on the Monday. See what happens.
I want your take on me buying Meta calls after this sweep and a nice little reversal on the weekly. Look on the weekly. The sweep of 691. The sweep of 691 on the weekly.
I think you should wait for
and then wait for a bounce up.
The 200 period moving average is at 667. That's going to be a really good spot. And then you have a really good structure area. Here, actually, I'll show you. Look at this. This actually looks like I can see this pretty well with my eyes. This is a good setup. Let's see.
And just play like a nice little leap on that.
I think you need to chill some of the leaps, dog. You're taking a lot of leaps.
No, bro. No.
Okay,
I'm
so
going crazy. I'm going stupid.
I haven't pulled up Meta in a while, but this pivot right here from way back here down at 640s, but this is the 200 period moving average. So if you do get this, you're getting like a attempted daily breakdown setup today, it looks like right now, actually, which is good. Probably sell off into at least 667. I'd watch for a bounce around 667. So and see if that holds. If that doesn't, it might come down to 640, then come up and reclaim something like that. This looks like a pretty decent double top, though. I don't know how much more this can bounce, but I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, it's not a bad idea. I'd see how it reacts around 667. I wouldn't buy it yet.
Yeah, I need some type of reaction.
Yeah. Okay, we're getting some selling here finally through prior day high. Sorry, my screen back up. There we go.
Oh, damn. Okay, so we're going for Asia lows. Look like possibly.
Yeah, possibly.
I mean, London lows. Is this London lows? This Asia lows.
Let's see. They're coming into VWAP right here, and then I do the overshoot sweep. So giving it a little bit more time here is going to be important.
Oh, sorry. This is the Asia highs. Asia highs, London lows.
See, I kind of like the long here, attempting this at VWAP. See if we get the reclaim. Not against trying this. Actually, I think I'm going to try it, bro.
Order filled.
Put my stop at the low. $300. I like to overshoot a VWAP. Yep. Look at that. Let's see if we can get a push here back through. See if we can get it. See what happens here.
Yeah, I didn't have enough time on my Microsoft. I know Christine happy as fuck right now. Microsoft's up almost $5.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Might just target 200s and call it a day on this if we can get it. Let's see. Let's see. This isn't my favorite play because we lost prior day high, but I like the overshoot attempt.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't think I need to add more risk on it. But I do like this to just come up and like sweep and come up into 200, sweep 200. I don't even think it's going to go. I'm not even going to go for these highs. Like literally, if we can get a sweep of this high here, 197s, I'll just take that. Something like that. It's like almost a 2-to-1. Pull back the VWAP, come up, overshoot the liquidity, but not make the new high, then maybe fail one more time. I don't know. We'll see. We shall see, ladies and gentlemen. Decent. Nice push, dude. Nice push. Very nice push. We got to get through prior day high and VWAP here, though, for New York. This little 30-second ham skis, dude. Let's see. VWAP and prior day high. So that looks pretty nice here. This looks nice. Boom. Overshoot. Reclaim prior day high. Come up into here. Fail. Let's see. Decent. I'm gonna add a little bit to this for funsies.
Order filled.
Why not, dude? Why not? It's just $600 on this to make 730. I like that a little bit more.
Bro said for funsies.
For funsies on the pullback here. It's a great reject spot. If it's going to fail, it's for sure going to fail right here. But if it doesn't and we push through, I should hit TP. Push through the VWAP.
Push it.
Push it. Watch this.
Push it.
Watch this. I feel like I want to retest 200. At least maybe sweep this. Sweep 200. Sweep it to 202. They're fighting and trying. They're fighting and trying, my friends.
Mm-hmm.
Do we get a follow through? One of my buddies just texted our I have this really old chat with some of my buddies called Wall Street Warriors. My buddy goes, I'm such a fucking idiot. And I assume it's him. He sold his AMD calls probably like a few weeks ago or some shit. I guarantee you that's what that was.
I mean, he didn't know. People
Of
gotta
course,
get
dude. It's,
people gotta get it.
it's classic
Yeah,
hindsight bullshit, dude. Like you don't
yeah,
know that's gonna happen. You
exactly.
think you could predict a 60-point move on like a mega cap? Come on, bro. From a deal
Right.
like
33%.
get out of here with that
That
shit.
doesn't happen. Yeah, that
Get
doesn't
out of here
happen,
with that
bro.
shit, bro. It's like
Yeah,
you can't predict that, man.
yeah.
Fucking just stupid.
God, I'm such a fucking retard. My mom should have dropped me. Like, bro,
So
like, come
dumb,
on.
dude. I'm so dumb.
My goodness.
Let's see if this holds here. It doesn't look like it's gonna hold. Might not hold.
Push.
Solid rejection of VWAP and Friday high so far. Yeah, I don't think this
Victor.
I don't think it's gonna hold.
Scalping long on NQ plus 600. Thanks, guys, for sure, bro. Lock out. Have a great day. Looks like it's coming for Asia highs.
Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna get cooked. I don't really care though if it does. It was a decent attempt. It just again no follow through, dude. I just all my plays just don't have any follow through. And I don't even feel like I'm asking for too much on it. But that's just what the market's been doing. Another overshoot of VWAP here. Let's see.
This looks good.
If this holds, it could be great. If this doesn't hold, it's done.
Yeah.
If she holds, it could be good. Not bad.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of trying. We need some more bids to step up in this bish. Gonna need some more bids up in here. For this to get some legs.
Lawrence, you seem dialed, brother. So keep it short. I work under Jace England. Okay. Thanks, buddy. I'm very dialed.
You are dialed, bro. You're dialed in, man.
I'm very
Let's see them
dialed.
flip this 5-minute bar green. That'd be cool. That'd be a cool thing to see. That'd be a super cool thing to see. If they can flip this green, that'd be nice. Still got 2 minutes on this bar, though. That's what I don't like when they start to pump it too early on the 5-minute bar because I feel like it sets it up for disaster. Like the trap, you know.
Yeah.
I fucking hate when they do that.
Like you're using all your gas up the first 3 minutes.
Yeah,
bro.
exactly. It's like save some gas. It's like when I'm lifting, always when people ask me about like I'm working up to a top set on bench of like a heavy single or double, and I'm like yeah, but I can always get tired before. I'm like, what's your warm up? They're like, well, I do the bar for 10, then I do 135 for 10, then I do 185 for 10, and then I do 225 for 10, and I'm like, you got no gas in your tank, bro. I'm like, what do you expect?
You're maxed out.
You're exhausted. Makes sense.
You're fucking cooked, bro.
You're cooked.
I took 100 trades this week, bro, and I don't know what's going on.
I don't know
You're
why I'm so
fucking
tired. Yeah, why am I so tired? Tell you why you're tired. Yeah, see, this is exactly what I'm talking about. When they use all the gas too early, I don't like it. I feel like it's gonna for sure fail now. Because I use it too early on this candle. I gotta wait and see though. I don't know, probabilities wise. See if they fill this wick, it's gonna be comatose. Yep. Looks like they're going to do it. Fill the wick. Well, some bids stepping in, trying to on the tape here. There you go. Yeah, they're trying to step in here for sure. They're attempting to. I could save a little bit of this too. Put this over here at the lows, directly at the lows. Save a little cash if it fails. Hugging VWAP again. We get a break back over this though. This thing's fucking going. Nope. There goes ES and Q hanging on by a thread here. Not bad. Let's do this, dude. If this can do. A couple more if we just break here.
Push up a do you think? I would say a little bit
Right
higher.
here, above this.
Yeah,
like
just
that.
like a little confirmation.
A
Maybe
little
even a
bit
close, maybe if you're open to that. But
yeah. Well, let's see. Not bad. They're definitely trying here. Again, holding VWAP. This might work. This might work. It might do it. Trying a little bit.
Oh man.
Oh man. Victor with the scalp. You're done. Nice work. YM's weak. RTY weak. It's only the hard part. This is super hard here because of this weakness. But maybe they hold. Maybe.
Bitcoin at 125,000.
Let's see. If this doesn't hold, at least I got one more bullet in the chamber. It definitely doesn't look like it's going to hold. It's too weak.
I never know.
I don't. That's why I'm going to let it play out. I don't know. I have no idea what's going to happen.
Because it doesn't look bad.
It doesn't look terrible, but ES and everything else is so weak. That's the problem. But Apple's trying to bounce here. AMD pulled back pretty hard. Ooh, I like this now. I like this a little bit more. I like it a little bit more here. You know what? I do. I like it, man.
I like this now.
I like it now. I like it now.
There we go.
I like it. Not too bad. Come on. Push through. Come on. Come on. See, we're getting towards the end of this 5-minute bar. I'm liking this more, a little bit more. When we get towards the end of the bar, let's see what 10 a.m. reversal time does, though. Let's see if this holds actually or not. Am I about to get added here? They have to add me. Are they going to add me? 2-minute engulfing, Lawrence.
Is that the golden signal?
No, but it's a 2-minute engulfing. Looks nice. Got to get back through all this junk here.
Like if I normally trade the 1 minute, I would have entered right now for long.
Yeah.
But I gotta wait for the 2 minute.
You just got YM selling super hard, which is pushing ES, which obviously is going to affect this and push this to an extent. Let's see. The bids are trying to bid though. The bids are bidding. The bids are bidding, my friend.
It's
Oh,
not a
look at
bad.
that.
This is not a bad long
Look at
attempt.
that. Look at that. It didn't add me there. Let's see if it does, or if it pulls back all the way and smokes me.
Oof. Yes, it's selling off.
Let's see. We're gonna bounce here.
Order filled.
Okay, we're in.
Clear divergence.
We are in. We have added. Push through VWAP, bro. And prior day high here. Come on. Come on. There we go. Push a little bit more. Push a little bit more. A very rare 1-to-1 basically for me. Do we get it? Do we get the cover? 197. $197. I am going to move this to here now. What are your thoughts on that? Or should I keep it?
Let me see. I'm looking at my charts. Let me see. That's fine. I mean, I think if it takes out that body, it's going to go for lows anyway. So
Yeah, I know exactly. That's what I'm thinking. I'm like, I'm just might as well save some cash.
yeah, because I mean,
look at this free deck, dude.
You putting your stop loss right there is basically saying that there's like a very low probability that it's going to come to a tick at that lower day and then turn around. Like it's very low probability. That's what you're saying.
Yeah, look at this rejection, dude. Wow, what a rejection. Probably take me out.
Yeah, that is a crazy rejection, but it might not.
No, it's like a really good short signal, dude. It's a really good short signal here. Unless they buy it. I mean, fuck, the bids are trying to bid it. The tape is, they're putting some gas on the tape here, dude. It's a battle royale as I watch it. It's an actual battle royale. Let's see. Wow, interesting. Interesting tape. Interesting tape.
Mm-hmm.
Fighting and trying. Fighting and trying.
Trying and fighting.
Trying and fighting. Fighting and trying. Oh, that's bullish. That's bullish. Look at this reclaim, this 2-minute inverted. If they can get it through. They got to get it through this 75, though. They got to get it through the 75. Still holding VWAP while everything else is selling. If we can get a bounce in the rest of the markets here to follow us through, that would be nice. Be semi-nice. You know, I like this, man. I want to add a little more. I kind of liking it now. Kind of liking it a lot.
Risking right now.
I would add right now.
I'm saying how much are you risking right now?
$500 to make 800.
I think you should. I mean, you can do what you want, of course, but I think you should stay right there.
Yeah, I'll keep it. Why not? It's Monday. Let's see a reclaim in New York prior day high. That's what this is, right? Yeah. This is this. Oh, yeah. This right here. This is New York prior day high. True. Correct. Let's see. Can we get this sweep here? Can we get the sweep here? I'll put it right at the liquidity, bro. Like right below it. 195. 195.25.
Yeah, this was a good long. I just couldn't. My 2-minute on a 2-minute, it just doesn't. I don't know.
I feel like until we just had this candle right here, this previous one, we got to get through this. It's just a tough spot because look at the 5-minute now. 5-minute looks a lot better.
Yeah, it does.
Looks a lot better, dude. We actually might even come up and sweep this 222, or at least come up 214. Do I leave some runners for that? No, I kind of just want to do all in, all out.
You said I want to have a good day.
Yeah, I want to have a good day.
I'm too greedy to leave runners. That shit go and stop me out. I'm like, fuck, that could have been $50 I could have saved. No, it's just been all in, all out.
All in, all out.
Yeah.
So far, this is pullback to VWAPing. It is my strategy. It's doing exactly what it should do. Let's see if it can follow through here. We need to get through this fucking prior day high, bro. This is like a war zone. I feel like I should get it. I don't know if it's good because I feel like everyone's gonna be aiming for way up here and shit. I'm pretty conservative with this target. Another 2-minute inverted hammer, trying to reclaim it right away. Not bad. See if they can get through it. See if they can get through it.
Runner strategy is just so bullish right now, bro. That shit's insane.
I know. I'm really happy for you.
This shit is like really bullish. This shit's crazy.
Did you sell it?
I sold one contract. I have one more. I'm gonna
Nice.
hold that. I'm gonna hold that contract till November.
Nice. You should.
Mm.
Fresh all-time highs on Bitcoin. That always helps you.
Yeah, 125.
Man, they're
It's just
really
more
fucking
like
fighting here.
you said they're doing what?
They're fighting here a lot. Can they get through? I don't like
just
how
got
much
into
they're,
that shit just looks funky.
yeah, I don't like how much they're fighting.
For some reason, there's no setup for me here, but like I just kind of like want to short it just because I just like I don't know.
I know it looks like a good short setup now. It's starting to fail. Let's see.
It's just weird. I'm gonna just sit my ass down in the corner.
Sit my ass down in the corner.
Yeah, this is not for me.
I'm gonna sit my ass down in the corner and see what happens. It's a really good rejection of VWAP here on New York. But like they're bidding and trying. So it's like they're really trying to reject it here. Like really they are. And they're being pretty damn successful at it.
They're being pretty damn successful.
Yeah, I'm about to get cooked, dude.
Bro, chill out. Bro said they're being pretty fucking successful about this.
Yeah, I mean, just such a good rejection so far. Well, let's see. Final push lower to finally push higher. Do the shorts get bamboozled here? Or do I get bamboozled? Looks like a good short, man. I like this short. Fuck. We'll see. Wow, this tape is crazy, man. A lot of fighting.
Yeah.
A lot of fighting. Oh, no, this is gonna cook me. Yep, here comes the cookage. Here comes the cooking, guys. They have to hold it right here if I'm going to get saved or I'm going to get stopped. Probably get stopped. Yep. Yep. Wow, this tape is wild. No, it's going to take me out, dude. Probably take me out. Yeah, shit's done, so. Bids again. Try one more time. Let's see. Do they bring it back down? Yeah, they bring it back down.
I'm
I
like
don't
days
know.
like this.
You like days like this?
I said I don't.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of tough. They could hold it here. If they reclaim my entry, I'll add one more time for the culture.
Not for the culture.
Looks like it wants to take me out, though. It really does, to be honest. Oh, you get a nice bounce on ES, though. Damn, you're getting a really nice bounce on ES here. Let's see if we can do this. I'll add for sure. Stop by 3 more. We can reclaim this here. Only if. Look at that, man. Look at that, bro.
Nice.
No ad yet. Close.
Order filled.
We're in. Oh, look at this, man. Look at this. Look at this, man. Not too bad. Again, holding VWAP. See? Let's see. Can we push through now? Can we get it? Can we get it, ladies and gentlemen? One more push into prior day high and VWAP. Sellers want to sell here, but buyers need to step on the gas if they want to fuck them over. Ooh, bullish engulfing on ES. Let's go. 5-minute bullish engulfing, reversal across the board. Apple near the highs. Come on, this is the recipe for the ripstick. This is the ripstick recipe. Don't tease me here, man. Don't tease me here, man. Confirmation bias at 100. Let's see. Let's see. I mean, it does give a lot of confirmation bias when you got everything reversing finally. And then one more hold of VWAP. We just got to digest this and push back through all this shit. Once we're through this, though, we should be golden for TP if we can get through these 80s. I think we'll easily get TP if we can get through.
I need to close above 165 for me to go long.
Just keep batting it down. How's the 15 look? Not tons to work with here.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the higher time frame because this is not the time frame you want to look at the 1 minute. So I'm gonna go to the 5-minute and 2-minute.
Yeah. I love that little pullback to hold there. This would be it if it's going to go. Such a big bullish engulfing on SPY. That's why you sold. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Might bounce hard at pre-market low. AMD, yeah, AMD. AMD getting a bounce. Is that helping? The Apple reversal is fantastic so far. Need follow through, dude. Come on. Fucking fight. Bulls on parade, dude. Buy it up. Man, come on, dude. Just do something. This area is just so congested. There we go. A little more push here. A little bit more of a push here. Not bad. Pushing through. Let's see. Got a little bit more room to go. Man,
I should have waited for a close. It's
Are you
not
long?
bad. Yeah, I'm long, but I should have waited for the close. But it's
What's your
not bad,
target?
though.
You're probably going for fucking way up here or some shit, huh?
I'll tell you in 1 second.
What are you going for? Maybe I'll leave some runners with you.
I'm going for way up there. I'm going for
I'll do 10
London.
here. Stop sell, limit sell 10. I'll leave 3.
Yeah.
See if we can get it.
If we make it, I'm going for London highs. So I'm going for 242.
Yeah, I can see us going for 250s after all this fight. I mean, look at the hold of VWAP so far. It's really, really strong. Very strong. It just
Yes,
this is
if
such
we
a
make
tough
it.
area. Yeah, if we make it, I know it's a tough area. Getting close. Let's try him. It is trying, my friend. But again, these sellers doing such a good job of just batting this down here. Need a breakthrough. I don't know if they're going to get it. We'll see. Still fighting. The buyers are trying. They're just not getting rewarded. That's the problem here, which I don't like. Complete indecision. It's a toss-up.
The closes. They're not trying to give me my close. Oh, it's right here. 165.
Jay, are you trading AMD?
165. 165. Okay. Well, I did my job.
You did your job.
Yeah. Like if it's up to fate now.
It is up to fate, and I feel like we're gonna get bamboozled in the way it's digesting, but could be wrong. I actually have no idea. We'll see here. It's just in a really tough spot. I just want to bank on VWAP and the 5-minute bullish engulfing on SPY. I think that's good context, but this area is so hard to get through, apparently. Apparently, this is the hardest level in all the land to break.
Not in all the land.
Literally. Like, dude, just fucking get a big buyer to step in and do something, bro.
Do something.
Like, this is crazy. Feels like they're waiting to rug it. Let's see. Did we push through here or not? Maybe not, man. I think we might get cooked.
Yeah, probably.
Not in a trade, though. Well, that looks a little bit better. It's something to work with on the 2-minute here. Get a little subtle overshoot of this low. They buy it. Push through. Push through. Nice. Come on. Maples. Good morning, Maples. Good to see you. Another slow morning for you, Jordan. Yeah, it's Monday. No news. Question for everyone in the chat: Who's coming to LA on Friday? That's the
That's
real
actually
question.
a very good question.
That's the real question. Who's coming to LA on Friday? Oh, we're gonna get TP here. The TP God's gonna give it to us. Can we get it? Can we
What
not?
the fuck? Oh my god, they just took me out of my damn order, bro.
Well, how?
I moved my bracket to take profit and it just canceled the whole trade, bro.
What?
Oh my god.
Like you
Oh my
dragged this up?
goodness. Yeah, I dragged it up and it just closed my entire trade.
What the fuck? Why? Well, are you green or on it?
I mean, it's $68.
Okay. Well, I mean, it's better than being red, I guess. But still, that is frustrating. It's
Damn.
definitely frustrating, dude. The way this is rejecting, I don't know. You might have just gotten a gold, like you might have gotten saved right there.
Maybe, but I mean, I traded my system.
You did. This shit is just disgusting. It's just not fucking going through, bro. I'm sick of it. Look at this rejection now. I'm tired
I
of
can't
this.
believe they just took me out of my position like that. That's actually insane.
Pretty tired of this, man. Wow. Look at them buy that up off VWAP. Holy shit. Holy shit.
Lost my fucking position, bro.
Can you get back in or no?
I can, but it's like my entry isn't where it was.
I feel.
It's later now.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. Dude, this is just wild, man. I don't know. I might move this now. I think I'm gonna move it to here. 561. Just move my risk up a little bit. This is just like painfully slow. I just have major trust issues right now with this action. Extreme trust issues. Yeah, dude, I don't like this. I think I'm gonna cut it all, to be honest. Something about it. No, I don't like this. I really don't like this. We lose 607 on the Qs, and I'm gonna cut it early. I just don't feel good about this anymore. Just giving me new information. Oof. Does it hold here? Does it hold here? Needs to hold here for this to still work.
Yeah, I'm not going to re-enter. I'm not in the same mindset.
Yeah, I think it's good not to re-enter.
because
It looks a little fishy now.
No, I mean, it doesn't. I don't know. It's selling off, but I mean,
I
my
need this to hold
system's still.
150 right here and push back up. See, it's like not. It looks like it wants to die. Let's see. Let me reclaim this. There we go. A little bit. Reclaim it. One more test of VWAP again. God, man, this fucking VWAP is crazy. This VWAP be crazy, man. RTY with a big pop. Nice reversal. Now, you know what? I'm just going to suck it up and let this take me out if it takes me out.
I mean, it's still not a bad play. Tell it's a bad play.
Yeah, it's going to take me out, though, I feel like. It just, like, digested way too hard up here. I don't know. It's just slow, bro. Slow Monday.
Yep, no news Mondays.
Yep.
Crazy, bro.
Wow,
I can't
look at this
believe it
action.
stopped me, bro.
Look at this fucking action, bro. This is crazy.
Jay, man, fuck this shit. None of my entries worked. Yeah, just chill, Jay. Just chill. Don't trade no more. I'm telling you, no news Mondays is a prop firm's favorite holiday. I'm telling you, the earnings, the contributions to
Look at
earnings.
this. Look at this.
Maples, is Lawrence also using Project X? Yes, I am. And they just did me crazy, bro. I can't even like get back in my trade because I'm not in the same mindset. They triggered me.
They triggered me.
They triggered me, bro.
They triggered me, bro. Dude, this looks good, man. I want to add and throw my stop up to here now.
I'm telling you, like it's not bad till it's bad. Like my setup is here.
Yeah, this ain't bad. I mean, it needs the hold here. That's the problem.
This
is its like final grace right here.
For sure.
If they can't hold it, because this 5 minute is ready to puke, super ready to puke on the 5. But if they can hold it here and bring it back up towards the end, might have something to work with. See, look at this. Give me one more 30-second close above here, and I'll add a little bit more, move my stop up to low this bar. But I need a higher close. Nope, not getting it. Not getting it. It's going to follow through to the downside. That's it. It's done. Yep. There's no way. Doesn't look like it. Well, it was working until it wasn't. It was working until it wasn't.
I can go for this V shape. It might bring up Qs, maybe.
It was working until it wasn't. Nah, this is done, dude. I'm just gonna be done probably over it. The 5 minute is too this is such a big reversal signal to me. Look at this shit. VWAP's the only saving grace here. Literally, as long as if we can hold VWAP here, this is gonna be the only way that this would make sense.
Just in $6 billion open door CEO's Kaz says they will enable buying a home using Bitcoin and crypto. I bet. I fucking bet. Why wouldn't you?
Mm-hmm. They should.
And next thing you know, banks are going to start coming out saying that we'll do Bitcoin backed loans.
That will definitely happen. No, this is cooked. This is Dunzo. Comatose. You have to hold 140 here if you want to survive. Otherwise, you lose the race. That's it.
Order filled.
All right. That's it, guys. Well, no follow through. Fucking 30-point range on the Monday.
30-point range on Monday, yeah.
$500.
Facts.
Actually, I reduced my loss pretty well, actually, on that. It wasn't too bad. So, all right. I think that's it. I'm over it.
Yeah, I have nothing.
Yeah. So, all right, guys. Well, thanks for joining in Monday. That's it. Nice and slow. Nothing. We do have our next group coaching call today. It's an interactive back testing session with Lawrence. So
That's cool.
if you guys are interested in that, check out the Discord. Links in my bio. Links in our bio. We appreciate you all. And that's it. We'll see you guys later.
And we see you guys tomorrow.
We're doing Jordan, we're doing a week trial right now. Yep. 1 week trial. So if you want to join in today, it's a good day to do it.
Yeah.
Hop on in. Peace.
We won't be last thing, we won't be here Wednesday through Friday.
Yes. Yeah, Wednesday
Right?
through Friday.
Unless we I don't know. Maybe Wednesday, maybe Thursday. Maybe Thursday. I don't know.
Yeah.
But
all right. Peace.